We got the Geode 700 V2s. This is my first time seeing these in hand. I'm gonna cop these eventually. I don't think they're gonna go up. They ain't gonna shoot up too quick. I don't think so. You know, I'm gonna cop these later on down the line, probably for retail still. They go on for about retail. Probably like $10 under retail. But here they go, man. Just like the Statics. Got the 3M hints right there. These little three, almost like Adidas stripes. Almost. You have like the nice quality. The leather be straight fire though on all Yeezy. So got nice little soft leather, suede right here. Nah, this is suede right here on the little lace loops. You got the 3M hint right here on the lace holders. It look like the shoestrings is 3M. Got the 3M hit right there. Little suede panel. Different color. This like a light gray, not a dark gray right here. Mesh. You got the 3M little hint right there. The gum bottom, definitely fire. Same 700 outsole. Got the boost popping out the bottom. Insole the shoe, Yeezy, Adidas, Ortholite. These is way more comfortable than the V1s. And of course you got the chunky, real fat chunky midsole. You have like the navy blue hint right here. You can't really even tell it's navy blue though. So it's way more 3M on the back of these than it is on the V1s. V1s you got them little, what is it, like 12 holes or something? But they real tiny. This got like 3M flashing. Mesh right here. Got 3M holes, the big 3M little pod right there. Standard V2. You know, the tongue is what makes this shoe a little bit more comfortable because it's so high up. The Adidas hint right there. You can't really tell this in the Adidas unless you see like the bottom of it, or you just know exactly what the shoe is. Mesh tongue. So yeah, man, let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section down below. They got them at Chicago Emporium. If y'all looking for them, all the early stuff I do is at Chicago Emporium. So y'all know, hit their lines on Instagram, their website. Hit them up. All that stuff is all on Instagram. Y'all can DM them, get their number, call them. They got PayPal, all that good stuff. Like I said, man, let me know if these a cop or drop, how to shot. How y'all feel about these down in the comment section down below. Did y'all cop these, man? How y'all feel about these versus the V1s? In my opinion, V2s is way more comfortable than the V1s. Way more comfortable. They more spacious. You know, it's not cramping your feet up. You don't have to go up half a size. You can actually go true to size with the V2s versus the V1s. That's what makes them a lot more better. Now the colorways they putting out is all basically the same. Still great material, but the colorways is like basically all the same. Kanye or Adidas need to, you know, put a little sauce in the pot, man. They ain't seasoning the pot, man. They just cooking stuff regular. They need to put some seasoning in there, you know, cook up something nice for the summer. But yeah, then like I said, man, like, comment, subscribe, comment down below. We could talk about these in the comment section. And yeah, subscribe. Trying to play, make it gang. And we out this jam, man.